Okay, so I saw this on a channel on YouTube. The name of the channel is Crazy Little Project. So we're going to get the diapers ready first. So I'm going to have 4 rolls with 4 diapers, 6 rolls with 3 diapers each, 1 roll with 8 diapers, and 6 individual diapers. So 4 with 4, 6 with 3, 1 with 8. So let's go ahead and roll these up. And the way we're going to roll them is just nothing special. Roll them. Grab another one. Not staggering them or anything. We're just rolling them up. And I think I rolled them differently each time, but just rolling them up. And the last one I took and rolled like this so the red can show. Of course, you probably got diapers with pictures and stuff, and it don't matter which way you roll it, but I got the cheap ones. Okay, so I'm gonna roll the rest of them. So that's my 4 rolls with 4 each in there. Now I got to do 6 rolls with 3 each, and then 1 roll with 8. Okay, preparation is the key. So once we roll all of the diapers up, we're going to start on the bottom portion of the train, and that would be the tracks or the wheels, if you will. That's the 4 rolls of 4. We're going to put them together, and we're going to cut a piece of cardboard, foam board, or chipboard to fit the length and width of the 4 rolls of 4 diapers. Then I'm going to cut 4 strips of ribbon and tuck them inside of the rubber band that's holding the diapers together. And the ribbons need to be long enough to secure that piece of board that you just cut. Once you finish with that, we're going to go ahead and assemble it. We're going to start by laying down a strip of ribbon that will go all the way around the diapers. Secure the ribbon in place. Then we're going to put that foam board or whatever you use on top of that ribbon, and we're going to use those 4 strips of ribbon to tie the board into place. I decided to use hot glue for this project because it was the easiest thing for me. I do avoid that because it is not permanent and it will burn you. Make sure you are careful while you are using hot glue. Now, once that ribbon is secured, I'm going to take that board and I'm going to cover that board with some material. I'm using some Alabama material. Then we just take them thin ribbons and I'm going to secure that board in place. I'm going to take that roll of 8 diapers and I'm going to also use that Alabama houndstooth ribbon to put around that and secure it in place. And then I'm going to put it on the front of our choo-choo train, and it's going to be turned sideways. Okay, let's set that to the side and start with the body of the train. We're going to take those 6 rows of 3 diapers, and we're going to put them in a 6-pack configuration and use little strips of ribbon to tie them together to secure them. So I tie them individually together. Once I finish that, I'm going to assemble that on top of the train. To add the nose portion, I use wired jute rope. Don't do that. Just use the regular ribbon that you use to tie down the board And then once you get that in, you can use some hot glue to secure it so it won't roll or move. The next section is the body section. I'm going to start by laying down 3 of the individual diapers. I secured those 3 diapers with a strip of ribbon. I then put the 6-pack on top and secured that with a thick ribbon after adding the remaining 3 diapers. Okay, I used a ribbon roll to make the smokestack. You can use a toilet paper roll or you can cut in half a paper towel roll. I just covered it with some fabric. I'm using, of course, some houndstooth. And I'm just going to go ahead and super glue that to the side. Okay, here we go. My first little choo-choo train. Alabama choo-choo train. It actually looked like a truck to me. So we're going to call it the truck train. Okay, and then I added a pacifier to the center of it. It's one of the little ones from the Dollar Tree that I painted black. I also added some pillow filler to the inside of the smokestack to simulate smoke. Okay, so I didn't like that silver ribbon at the top. It was see-through, it was glittering. I didn't like it, so I'm just gonna make my own ribbon out of some of this extra cloth. So as I show off my non-sewing skills, so I'm using hemming tape, by the way. I'd like to take this time to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying it. I'm going to go ahead and just speed it up so we can keep the time down. If you have any questions, please be sure to drop them in the comments. If you haven't already, please take this time to like, subscribe, or follow. Thank you again. And let's wrap this up. Y'all don't be talking about me not sewing. I do have a sewing machine. That's coming up.